Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. This month I'm celebrating Black History Month by highlighting drinks from African American bartenders. I'm very excited this week to point you at Shannon Mustipher's Tiki Modern Tropical Cocktails book, which came out in 2019. Shannon is a Brooklyn bartender whose tiki drinks focus on depth of flavor and balance. Shannon created the rum-focused bar called Gladys's Caribbean in Brooklyn, which unfortunately has closed during COVID. But we can still enjoy drinks from this award-winning book by one of the leaders in the industry. Today I'm following her recipe for the Infernal Triangle, but like every tiki drink, it has a lot of ingredients and I don't have all of them. So I'm going to advise on some substitutions along the way and we'll see how it comes out. To start off, we'll need 1 ounce of cachaça. This is a Brazilian rum. In this case, she calls for an aged one. I do not have that. So I'm going to use an unaged cachaça, and you can substitute a little bit of barrel flavoring by either using Fee Brothers Whiskey Barrel Aged Bitters or Cocktail Punk's Oak Aromatic Bitters. I'm going to go with the Cocktail Punk today and just add 1 squirt. Next up, you'll need a bit of Mezcal Espadín. I'm going to use this Del Maguey Vida. Next step is ½ ounce of Ancho Reyes. This is a nice deep spicy liqueur. The recipe also calls for ½ ounce of tepache. This is like pineapple beer. I found I could buy this in a can from my local market. If you can't find tepache at your local market like I did, check out Shannon's book. She's got a recipe in the back. We also need ½ ounce of banana liqueur. This is a great addition to your tiki bar. She calls for ¾ ounce of a spiced honey syrup. In this case, I'm going to use Velvet Falernum, which is kind of a spiced honey liqueur that's also a bit low in alcohol. And then we'll need ¼ ounce of pineapple juice and ¾ ounce of lime juice. Finally, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Add some ice and shake. The last step is to pour the drink into a tiki mug and garnish with a banana leaf, lime wheel, and some grated nutmeg. I have a tiki mug with a lid on the top, so I'm actually just going to do the nutmeg part. So first step, we'll pour this into our glass. Then we're going to garnish with a little bit of nutmeg. Don't skip the nutmeg step. This is such an important part because of the aromatic that it adds. And lastly, a straw. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. Even though I didn't follow the recipe 100% to the T, Shannon's mastery still comes through in this cocktail. So much depth of flavor, so many things going on, and great balance too. Check out Shannon's book called Tiki, and Shannon, I hope to have a drink with you one day in person. Cheers. You still have a few days left to buy your ticket to Mardi Gras Cocktails. I'm running an online event with a party box that has all the ingredients for all the cocktails you need, plus snacks, plus party decor. I hope you can join me. The link to buy tickets is below.